Welcome to this presentation. This video will be a quick start introduction to the EVMS Researcher Profile website, Researchers at EVMS, powered by the VIVO Profile software system. This video will only cover the essentials and is a quick start guide. For a more detailed introduction on all features of the site, please watch the full introduction video on how to navigate the site and use the features. The Researchers at EVMS system is loaded with data that is indexed from EVMS researchers' publications. The site's functionality is based on this indexed information. Browsing the site will enable you to discover the research interests of EVMS research faculty, information about their current and past projects, their publications, and their EVMS collaborators. You can explore research interests further by clicking through to all of the researchers' collaborators or their collaborators' collaborators. Using this site will also help EVMS students find possible research mentors. The data on the site is linked in many ways, creating a useful and informative browsing experience. A general tip for when browsing the site is to use the click and discover method. Just hover your mouse over an item and see if you can click it. To access Researchers at EVMS, simply go to researchers.evms.edu or access it by using one of several Researchers at EVMS links found on evms.edu or the My Portal intranet. Here is the main Researchers at EVMS homepage. Take note of the Scroll Down for More link at the bottom of the screen. Be sure to scroll down the page for more content that appears below the fold. Scrolling down the home page reveals several categories of items down the page, each section with a button to load more items. There are many places on the site that have only a few items loaded at a time. Be sure to look for this More button throughout the site. Notice that each item on the page can be clicked to be taken to more information about the item. There are a lot of clickable items throughout the site. Here on this part of the page, we have hot papers, international collaborations, industry collaborations, and open access publications. Here back at the top of the home page is where the main functionalities of the Researchers at EVMS site are accessed via the tabs at the top of the page. For easy site navigation, no matter which page you are on, these tabs appear at the top of each page of the site. Additionally, on the home page, there is a search bar in the middle of the screen that can be used to search for specific people or research topics. On other pages of the site, this search bar can be found in the upper right of the screen. Let's skip the Researchers tab for now and quickly take a look at the information that can be viewed by clicking each of the other tabs, starting with the Research Areas tab. The Research Areas page includes all of the research areas of EVMS's research faculty as identified by the Web of Science subject categories from their publications. Clicking any of these links will display a list of EVMS faculty with that particular interest area based on their publications. The Capability Map is an interesting visual tool that shows the capabilities of EVMS researchers and how the interest areas and researchers are connected. Instructions on how to use the tool are included on that page. Clicking the Publications tab, you can go to the page that shows all of the publications that are loaded into the system. Click an item in the Publication Category column on the left to display the selected list on the right. Currently, there are over 3,400 publications loaded into the system. On the Departments tab, there is a clickable alphabetical list of the departments. Clicking the department name will display a list of faculty names you can click to view the researchers' profiles. From the Clinical Trials tab, you can view EVMS clinical trials based on enrollment category, past and present. There's also a link in the blue ribbon near the top to click for up-to-date information about EVMS clinical trials. This links out to the main evms.edu clinical trials page. On the Student Opportunities tab, a list is displayed of researchers who offer research opportunities to EVMS learners, who are our students, residents, and fellows. There is also a link to this list on the Researchers tab. On the FAQ tab, you'll find a list of frequently asked questions along with their answers. Now let's go back and talk about the Researchers tab. Clicking the Researchers tab sends you to the main Researchers page where you can browse EVMS researchers alphabetically by last name. Notice the link near the top for a list of faculty who offer research opportunities for learners. This is also the same list that is displayed when the Student Opportunities tab is clicked. Each researcher's name in this list can be clicked to be taken to the individual researcher's profile page. To show you what kind of information is displayed on the profile pages, as an example, let's click Dr. Abdulrahman's name. This is the main researcher profile page. Notice the tabs that can be used to view the different profile elements, or the View All tab can be selected to display everything on the page at once. The links for the visualizations appear on the right side of the page. The visualizations include a bar chart showing publications over time, a co-author network graph, and a map of science. All are based on indexed information from the researchers' publications that are loaded into the system. Researchers who offer research opportunities to EVMS learners will have an icon at the top of their profile indicating such. The researcher's department name can be clicked to go to the department's page for further exploration, where there will be a clickable list of the department's faculty and the department's research areas. Scrolling down the profile page, on the right, you can see Dr. Abu Hamid's research areas, all clickable options to see the other EVMS researchers who share that research area in common. Using this tool would be a good way to find collaborators. Scrolling down reveals projects and publications. Back at the top of the page, over on the right, let's take a look at Dr. Abu Hamid's co-author network. This visualization shows all of Dr. Abu Hamid's EVMS co-authors and which of his EVMS co-authors also co-author together. It's an interesting way to view possible collaborations. In this visualization, by hovering over one person's name, it isolates that person's co-authorships within this list. The width of the ribbon indicates the number of co-publications, and each person's name is a clickable link that will take you directly to that researcher's profile. There is much information to be discovered about EVMS researchers within this system. Remember, just hover the mouse over an item and see if it can be clicked. This concludes the Quick Start demonstration for the researchers at EVMS Research Faculty Profile System. Once again, you can access this site by visiting researchers.evms.edu. So to summarize the key takeaway points, Researchers at EVMS is a tool that hosts a wealth of information that can be used to find EVMS research expertise or to find a research collaborator, project, or mentor. Be sure to browse freely. Don't forget to use the Click and Discover method while browsing the site. While the Researchers at EVMS site contains a wealth of information, it also links out to other sources. Many things on the Researchers at EVMS site are clickable links that will lead you on a journey to more information that will allow you to discover how EVMS researchers are interconnected or where collaborations might be possible. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you find the Researchers at EVMS site to be a very helpful way to explore EVMS's research expertise or to find an EVMS research collaborator, project, or mentor. If you would like a more detailed introduction to the site, please watch the full introduction video on how to navigate the site and use the features. If, after watching these videos and exploring the site, you still have questions, please refer to the FAQ tab on the Researchers at EVMS site. For profile errors and omissions, submit the form at the link shown on the screen or contact the Office of Research for help. Thank you for watching.